City of Homestead How-To Video Series.
Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you how anyone can initiate a work order request, either from in the office or out in the field, using a simple web form from MyCity Maps. To enter a work order request, you can access the web form two ways. The link to the web form is accessible from the city's intranet page, as well as a shortcut on every city employee's desktop. Alternatively, this shortcut can be placed on the home screen of any mobile device. Your IT department can assist you with this.
The person making the work order request would begin filling out the first half of the form with their first name and last name, email address, the city department they work for, and whether the request is an emergency. The next question on the form is the task type dropdown. This allows you to specify what type of request you are making. After you've chosen the task type, use the issue description field to provide as much information as you can provide about the issue. This will help the work order to get assigned to the appropriate technician, and a good description can help prevent delays in response time. After you've completed the task type and issue description, your next step is to choose the location of the issue using the map. You can enter an address into the search field to orient the map quickly to the spot of the issue. You can then zoom or drag the map, and then click to drop a marker on the specific location of the issue. This allows the assigned technician to quickly locate it. Lastly, you can submit a picture of the issue by clicking the Drop Image Here button or camera icon. Hit the Submit button to finalize your request. Hopefully this video got you going. If you need further assistance, the Innovation and Technology Department is an email or phone call away.